Hello my friends, I'm Kote. Today I will tell you 4 stories about water. Let's start with common myth that it's important to drink 8 glasses of water every day. Actually, you don't need to drink 8 glasses of water every day, but you need to get enough water. From food, from tea, from coffee, every food, including drinks, of course, contains water. And let's start with water functions. Why is water so important? Our body's 60% is water. So water is one of the most important components of our body. Heat in our body is distributed by water. Liver and muscles creating heat, and it's distributed by water via blood. Second is transporting nutrients and oxygen. Blood contains around 50% of water, so blood is important, which is main component which can transport nutrients and oxygen. So blood has transporting function. And excretion of toxins via urine and sweat. Water is excreted, and it excretes also toxins from our body. 70% of our brain is water. So it gives brain more cushion-like structure, which helps to prevent from damage. Also, it's important. Now let's talk about second story. Second story is signs of dehydration. How we can spot we don't drink enough water. First sign, of course, is thirst. If you are thirsty, you should drink water because it's signal from your body. Second is dark urine or amber color urine. If your urine is dark, it means that you don't drink enough water. In most cases, there are some cases, of course, where there is pathology, but in most cases, if your urine is dark, it means you don't drink enough water. Third is dry mouth and throat. If your mouth is dry, first and most common cause is you don't drink enough water. And headaches. Even if you lose 1% of your body because of losing water, you can have headache. Headache can be caused because of several reasons. Maybe less blood in the brain, maybe because of inflammation, less water in the body can cause inflammation, and it can cause of headache also. And it can also affect direct neck nerves because of dehydration, and it can also cause headache. So headache is one of the most important factor of headache is drinking less water. And third story, what can be cause of this dehydration, right? We said already how to spot dehydration, and now let's say what is underlying cause of this dehydration. First and most common cause is just you don't drink adequate intake and adequate amount of water. It's first and most important. Second cause is excessive sweating. If you sweat excessive, especially if outside is hot and you're sweating, you're losing water, and if you don't drink, you can have dehydration. Third is diarrhea and vomiting. Diarrhea and vomiting can cause loss of important amount of water and it can cause many symptoms including headaches. Fever. During fever, it's more likely to you sweating, so you losing water, and fever is also important cause. And some medications like diuretics and laxatives, they can cause water loss also. And lastly, fourth, let's talk about what is normal and norm intake of water. For males needs 3.7 liter water per day. It's 125 ounce, and female needs 2.7 liters. It's 91 ounce. And some people says that should I drink 3.7 liters of water? No, you should not, because you get around 30% from foods. You get maybe around 50% from drinking tea or coffee, if you drink tea or coffee, because tea and coffee contains 99% of water. You get water when you eat yogurt, because yogurt contains 85% of water. So many foods and many drinks contain lots of water. That's why we don't need exactly to drink 8 glasses of water or exactly 2 liters of water, because we're drinking teas, we're drinking coffees. But most important and most important component is that we should listen our body. Our body is best director, and our body can tell us when we need more water, when we need less water. But we should keep in mind that we need 3.7 liters per day if we are male, 2.7 if you are female. Now let's summarize. It's myth that you should drink 8 glasses of water every day, because you can get this amount of water from different sources. But of course you need to drink some water also during the day. We need water for heat distribution, oxygen and nutrient transportation, urine, excretion of toxins via urine and sweat. Our body consists of 60% of water. Our brain is 70% of water. Signs of dehydration is thirsty, when you are thirsty, when your urine is dark, dry mouth, headache. Headache is non-specific symptom, of course, and it does not always mean that dehydration, but commonly it's one of the most common cause of headache. And causes of dehydration: inadequate intake, excessive sweating, diarrhea, vomiting, fever, and medications like diuretics and laxatives. And male needs 3.7 liters of water, female needs 2.7 liters of water. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please make like and thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.